Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. In this video, we will learn concept of double entry system in accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates. So let's get started. What is the double entry system? In the current competitive world, the best method of accounting is a double entry method. A double-entry system is known as a scientific and complete system for accounting. The double-entry system is a system by which each transaction is measured in terms of money and expressed in a dual entity. As well as the evolution of human civilization, accounting has evolved. In ancient times, people used to preserve their own accounts, but over time there have been many changes and enhancements in the trade and commerce, as well as many changes in the method of accounting. Mainly during the Industrial Revolution, there was a period of change in the widespread expansion of the business and the process of production and distribution. And this massive change led to the need for accountability in a scientific and acceptable way, and in this way Luca Pacizoli, the famous mathematician Italy, in 1494, written his famous book Summa Arithmetica, Geometria, Proportioniat Proportionaliter, the collected knowledge of arithmetic, geometry, proportion and proportionality. He described the perfect and proper recording system of financial transactions in his book is called double-entry system. And it has gradually become a cornerstone of accounting. A double-entry system is an accounting system where one party provides the benefit and the other party receives the benefit in each transaction. According to the double-entry system, in every transaction, there have been two or more accounts. These accounts are written dual entity system. One is debit and another is credit. According to the double entry system, the total amount of debit is always equal to the total amount of credit. Example of double entry system. Suppose June 1, cash $3,000 received from Mr. Y. Here involved two accounts, cash account and Mr. Y account. Journal entry will be for this transaction. Cash account, debit, $3,000. Mr. Y account, credit, $3,000. Where one party provides the benefit and the other party receives the benefit. June 2, paid electricity bill $500 and office rent $1,000. Here involved three accounts, electricity bill account, office rent account, and cash account. Journal entry will be for this transaction. Electricity bill account, debit, $500. Office rent account, debit, $1,000. Cash account, credit, $1,500. Where the total amount of debit is always equal to the total amount of credit. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.